For improved system performance, long-term financial returns, and less risk on your PV projects, look to the proven performance of DuPont Materials and Solutions.
Hello and welcome to this week's PV Newscast. I'm Phil Bouchard. Coming up, US surpasses 1 gigawatt annual PV installs for the first time. Suntech reports full-year financial results, and former Enron exec drafted in at First Solar. Solar PV installations in the US reached a record 1,855 megawatts in 2011, according to GTM Research and US trade organization SEIA in a joint report. Installations easily surpassed the annual 1 gigawatt milestone and grew 109% year on year. Significantly, the fourth quarter saw installs almost mirror the 2010 total, reaching 755 megawatts, an increase of 115% from the same quarter a year ago. The report noted that the expiration of the US government's 1603 Treasury program boosted completions, especially in the commercial sector at year-end. Cumulative PV capacity operating in the US ended the year at 3,954 megawatt. The PV industry's leading company, Suntech Power, reported total net revenues of $3.1 billion for last year, but losses approached $1 billion. The company guided first quarter shipments to be down by 30% compared to the prior quarter, and gross margin guidance to be in the range of 3 to 6%. Suntech said that the decline was due to lower than expected inventory levels as it exited 2011 and seasonal weakness in demand. It expects 2012 shipments to be in the range of 2.1 to 2.5 gigawatt, compared to shipments of 2.096 gigawatts in 2011. Suntech would seem to be taking a breather this year, guiding capital spending to be in the range of $120 million to $150 million, targeting equipment upgrades in the cell and module sectors, and is not expecting to add manufacturing capacity this year. Vertically integrated PV manufacturer JinkoSolar posted full-year revenue of $1.2 billion, the first time the fast-growing supplier has exceeded the $1 billion milestone, an increase of 58.7% compared to 2010. However, the company reported a loss in the fourth quarter of $58.3 million as margins vanished and ended the quarter in negative territory. Management said that they expected to maintain its in-house production at current levels through to the end of 2012, while guiding module shipments in the first quarter to be in the range of 170 to 190 megawatt, flat to slightly up from the previous quarter. New top 10 module manufacturer rankings have been compiled by Lux Research, noting that based on actual production output last year, First Solar was ranked number 1, while Suntech was placed second, a reversal of rankings based on revenue. The top 10 companies listed in order were First Solar, Suntech, Yingli, Trina Solar, Canadian Solar, Sharp, Hanwha Solar One, JinkoSolar, LDK Solar, and Solar World. According to the report, the top 10 companies together contributed around 44% of the global module production in 2011, around 12.5 gigawatts of modules. Another week and another wave of record conversion efficiencies, as Suntech was also featured in one of PV Tech's most popular stories of the week. It logged another world record for its Pluto cell technology, with a Solar Energy Research Institute of Singapore verified 20.3% cell efficiency. The figure was achieved on a production cell using standard commercial-grade P-type silicon wafers and was developed by the company's research and development team in collaboration with the University of New South Wales. In the world of flexible CIGS thin film, new measurements made by NREL have confirmed that Solo Power has produced modules with an aperture area efficiency of 13.4%, a record for the flexible substrate-based technology. The modules were produced at Solo Power's 20-megawatt pilot production plant in San Jose, California. Solo Power has plans to start production at its 400-megawatt nameplate capacity plant in Portland, Oregon, later this year. And finally, proving that there is never a dull moment in the PV industry, First Solar has appointed James Hughes, a previous long-term executive within the corporate structures of infamous Enron. He's been appointed to lead the major business strategy change from returning boss Mike Ahern and to focus on the unsubsidized emerging PV markets around the world. Well, that's it for this week. We'll have more news and perhaps some more surprises next week. Keep up to date on the website and Twitter feeds. Until then, thanks for watching.